Hey guys, Nick Joseph and welcome to Code Red Defense. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up a preemptive knee strike. So if I'm faced with my attacker and I'm talking to him, what I'll do is I'll shift my weight slightly back. So from here, I'll put all my weight on my back leg. By putting all my weight on the back leg, I'm loosening up this to strike right there, which means I'm not doing this and moving forward. I'm leaning back if I'm talking to him and he's in my face. Boom, as I strike low, I come up high. Okay? So again, shift the weight back. I'm bringing my hands, boom, low, step, and then come in high with an elbow. This is actually it's a great combination as well. It kind of follows. Now, I might do this and he might be throwing a punch right after, and then I need to step in. It doesn't really matter. The important thing is as I strike low, I come up high right away. Okay? So this is just, a simple, 1-2 step that you could learn. Okay? But you need to have it set up. If the person's walking, it's hard for you to do it. So it's only if you're standing still. Same thing if it was up against the wall and I'm here, right, and I'm talking to him. This is where I can use the wall as leverage to knee. So I'll push off the wall and launch my knee forward, because even if he tries to push me back, the wall is there to support me. So this is just a small little, way that you can set up a good strike to the groin. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, go visit our website, Code Red Defense. We have a great video, Common Attacks. It's in the description box, so go in the description. Check out Code Red Defense. Stay safe and stand strong.